Hi, welcome back. So today I will be doing a tutorial using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette that I got for Christmas from Kaylee, my best friend. Thanks, Kaylee. And I'm also going out tonight, so it's like killing two birds with one stone. I had to get ready anyway, so I'm combining this and making it into a tutorial also. So it's like a tutorial slash date night glam. So let's get started. Sorry if my face is a little red. I went on the treadmill today and I never work out, so it's like still red after an hour. Okay, so the good thing about this palette is even though it has a lot of like metal shades, it does have a couple mattes, so you can actually do a full look with it. Like it has a neutral, like beige and brown, and a matte black. So I'm gonna go in with So Bougie, this beige color here first. All right, that shade is a little too light, so I'm gonna go in next with Cocoa Truffle to darken it a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the matte black shade here, Decadent, for the outer corners. I just need to put on a little concealer before the bling bling to do the cut crease. For the main part of my lid, the center of the lid, I'm going to go in with New Money, this really bright pink shade here. For the inner part of the lid, I'm going to go in with Drippin' Diamonds right here, like really shiny silver. Wings are done, so I'm going to start on my face. I'm going to start with my primer first. I'm going to do something a little different now. I just got these Cover FX glitter drops yesterday. So pretty, just like basically a bottle of glitter. So I'm going to try putting that on my face first under my foundation for a little bit of a glow. I usually don't do that because I have oily skin and I don't want to look shiny, but I'm just going to try it out because these are like really pretty. That's a lot of glitter. This glitter is really intense. This may have been a bad idea, but oh well. You never know unless you try. So excited. My Fenty foundation finally came in the mail after so long of waiting. It actually came like while I was right in the middle of filming my last video, so I'm kind of mad I didn't get to use it, but oh well. I'll be using it for the first time today. So I could definitely still see the glitter through the foundation because I think it's only medium coverage. So good thing I'm going out tonight and not like going to work or something because that's a little crazy. Kind of cute though. And to set my face, I'm going to use new setting powder today. I just got this new Too Faced peach one that just came out recently. It's supposed to be mattifying and good for oily skin. It got really good reviews, so figured I'd give it a try. Also, it smells really good. It's like peaches. Okay, while my face is baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to do those off camera really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to do like a smoky lower lash line, so I'm going to use a black waterline pencil or a black eyeliner pencil in the waterline first, and then kind of smoke it out with some black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to blend out the black on the bottom with the cocoa truffle here. Time for some bronzer and blush. Decided to treat myself to an eyelash curler while I was at Sephora yesterday. I know eyelash curler is like nothing big, but I've been using the same one for like years, and it was a hand-me-down from my mom. Like I got from her before I really was into makeup. So I decided to get myself a nice cute rose gold one, just cause. To finish the eyes, I'm going to put a Rich Girl up here in the inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna try these glitter drops for my highlight as well. Okay, this is not working at all. It's not blending at all. Okay, it's working better with my finger, but still it's like, it's just like a streak on my face. Okay, I need to try to fix this. Hold on. Okay, I kind of fixed it. I just put some other highlighter over the top to kind of blend it in. Actually looks pretty cute, but it's like harsh lines. This is why I try to stay away from liquid highlighter. It seems to never turn out well. So not really sure what to do with those little drops, but they're so pretty. Like, couldn't resist. To finish off for the lips, I'm going to use my Jouer lip topper. This is the one, the Jeffree Star collab Sweet Tooth. Okay, this is the final look. I really like how this turned out actually. Ready to go out for the night. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.